Hello everyone and welcome to today's video. Today's video is going to be about how to download Discord on Android in 2026. For that, the first thing that you'll have to ensure is that you're connected either to a Wi-Fi or a mobile data network. If you're connected to a Wi-Fi network, then a Wi-Fi icon will be seen on your status bar. If you're connected to a mobile data network, 4G or 5G will be seen next to your network tower. The other thing that you must ensure is that you're running at least Android 7.0 or higher. For that, head over to settings, scroll all the way down, hit about phone, and then hit software information. This phone is running Android version 16, which means that we're good to go. After that, you can head back over to your home page, and then in the app drawer, search bar, simply search for Play Store. Tap on Play Store, and then in the search bar of Play Store, simply search for Discord. Hit go or enter on your keyboard, and then next to Discord, you can see the install button. Hit install. Make sure that you're logged in to your Google account before you try to download anything from the Google Play Store. If not, then you'll be prompted to log in to your Google account. After you've downloaded Discord, you can simply open it and start talking. For any further questions, please feel free to leave a comment down below. For any further questions, please feel free to leave a comment down below.